Hi, this is the episode 3 of Porn Addiction. So ito na yung iniintay nyo. Paano nga ba ma-overcome itong klase ng addiction na ito? So number 1 ay yung tinatawag nating self-awareness. So kahit ano pang addiction, toxic behavior, or negative effects sa pagkatao natin, napakahalaga na makilala natin yung sarili natin. No? With the addiction, aalamin natin dapat kung ano yung triggers natin, yung mga negative emotions na iniiwasan natin, at ultimately, ano yung mga valid needs na kinocope nung porn as we use it. So, pangalawa, napaka-importante na maintindihan natin yung cycle ng addiction. Kaya nga, di ba, dun sa episode 2, in-explain natin yung stages so that you will become aware paano nga ba nagpapatuloy yung pattern. Kasi if we know kung paano nag-move yung cycle natin, then we can actually put measures, to stop, to put alternatives dun sa bawat stages ng addiction so that hindi tayo matatrap dun sa cycle. So, pangatlo ay yung tinatawag na finding alternatives. So, dito, kailangan alamin ninyo kung ano yung nakakapag-suit sa inyo, nakakapagbigay ng comfort and pleasure kasi hindi natin ma-overcome yung any form of addiction kung wala kayong ipapalit na mas better. So, halimbawa, for some sports or engaging to different activities or prayer, reading the Bible, or eating favorite foods or spending time with friends. So, anything na maisisingit ninyo, dun pa lang sa part ng preoccupation. Kasi kailangan ma-stop yung ritual na hindi magtuloy-tuloy yung step by step. So, dun yun na ipapasok yun. No? Anything that is healthy, that is soothing sa'yo. So, fourth is finding and building your connection or yung need natin for intimacy. Kasi, kahit ano pa mang addiction yan, ang deeper need dyan is our need for emotional connection. Our need for a safe community na kung saan kahit anumang struggle or weaknesses na meron tayo, we will still feel loved, accepted, and we will receive compassion and not be judged. Okay, so it can be in a form of connecting to a counselor or psychologist, having a safe community where you can open up yourself, or finding a mentor, leader, someone that na tatanggapin ka at